I'm going to show you how to use glyphs in Cricut Design Space. So what you're going to want to do is open up Cricut Design Space and type in the text you want to use. I'm just going to type in something simple like hello. Make sure the font that you would like to use is selected, and in this case I am using Rainbow. This is what I have downloaded to my computer, and if you did download it, it will be in the system area right here. And now to add our glyph. So what you want to do is go ahead in your Finder and go to your applications and open up your font book. Usually this is in alphabetical order. Click on font book and find the font that you want to use, Rainbow. Click on the glyph you want to use and go ahead and copy that, and then go back into Cricut Design Space at the beginning of the text, paste it, and there we go. Our trademark glyph is pasted right into Cricut Design Space, and we can use it however we wish. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.